Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a prototype app. First, let's lay the groundwork for your brilliant idea. Begin by clearly defining your app's core purpose and who your target users are. This initial step is crucial for guiding all subsequent decisions. Next, sketch out the main user flows and key screens. Think about user navigation. Finally, identify the essential features for your minimum viable product, or MVP, focusing on core functionality. Now that you have a clear vision, it's time to select the right tools. Many options exist, from simple wireframing to advanced interactive software. Consider your comfort level and app complexity. Focus on designing an intuitive and visually appealing user interface, ensuring a consistent look across all screens. Incorporate interactive elements like buttons and navigation to truly simulate the user experience, making it feel real. With your designs in place, the next step is to bring your prototype to life by building interactivity. Connect individual screens to create a seamless, clickable, and navigable experience. Think about how users will move from one section to another. Adding subtle animations and transitions can significantly enhance user engagement, making the prototype feel more polished. Ensure all primary user paths are fully functional, allowing for comprehensive testing later on. Finally, the crucial phase of testing and iteration. Gather a small group of your target users and observe how they interact with your prototype. Pay close attention to their feedback, noting any points of confusion or areas for improvement. This invaluable input will help you identify specific areas for refinement. Based on this feedback, iterate on your design, making necessary adjustments to refine your prototype and move closer to your final app.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.